The scatter plot shows the number of surveys sent to and returned from 17 different neighborhoods, and a line of best fit is also shown in the graph. So this is the graph that has been given to us, in which the number of surveys sent is plotted on the x-axis and the number of surveys returned is plotted on the y-axis. Now these dots here, these represents the actual number of surveys returned, and we can also find the predicted number by this line of best fit. And we need to find out, for the neighborhood that had sent survey to 800 people, what would be the closest positive difference between the actual number of surveys returned and the number predicted by the line of best fit. So let's just find out the neighborhood that had sent surveys to 800 people. So this would be the neighborhood there, and let's find out the actual number of surveys returned and the predicted number of the surveys returned. So we know for this neighborhood, this dot here represents the actual number here, and this dot corresponds to 600 surveys returned. So we know in actual 600 people have replied to that survey, and the predicted would be this number here, this point here, and this point corresponds to a number between 400 and 500. So let's just take this number as 450 here. So all we got to do is to subtract these two numbers, because that is what we have to find out, the difference between the actual and the predicted number. So this would be 600 minus 450, that would be equal to 150. So let's just look at our options here. Option A is the correct answer.